Hello, this is my research presentation. Um, Comparative analysis of solving traveling salesman problem using artificial intelligence algorithms. The paper aims to provide a comparative study of different artificial intelligence algorithms applied to solve the traveling salesman problem. For AI algorithms such as genetic algorithm, nearest neighbor, ant colony optimization, and NeuroFuzzy are executed in MATLAB software to determine amongst these techniques will provide the least execution time to solve TSP. Comparative this is this study connects to our intelligent system due to the fact that it uses artificial intelligence algorithm to solve problems. The methods of the study to identify the correlation of algorithm used in TSP, readily available MATLAB programs are used to solve this problem, such as genetic algorithm, nearest neighbor, and colony optimization, and NeuroFuzzy, and soft computing were considered in this paper. GA is the genetic algorithm. It aims to find an optimal solution for the shortest route for the salesman to travel to each node without going back to the origin. The nearest neighbor is used to compute and plot the shortest path from a given 10 cities defined in a random order. The ant colony optimization aims to find the shortest path and at minimum cost between cities. It is also the main objective of the TSP. The NeuroFuzzy is specifically used for simulated annealing starts by generating 20 cities within a unit cube and solve the shortest path. The results of the study is that the MATLAB codes to solve the TSP were executed, taking into consideration the number of code lines, number of function used, and total execution time. GA, out of the 10 successive trials performed, it was on the 6th trial that provided the shortest distance traveled at 1,743 iterations, while on the 9th trial, the longest distance traveled at 2,675 iterations. ACO displays the coordinates of the city, the average true distance versus number of iterations, and the minimum cost as translated into total distance traveled. NNA and NF are both only contains the path length at randomized points and requirement of closing the travel loop. The conclusion is that using the pre-coded MATLAB implementations of GAACO, nearest neighbor, and NeuroFuzzy to solve TSP, the total distance of or path length from the source to destination and number of iterations were not translated into proportionate total execution time. Among the considered algorithms, it was GA with the most number of program lines at 148, while the nearest neighbor with the least at 47 lines. The nearest neighbor algorithm has the most number of functions called at 32, while the NeuroFuzzy algorithm has the least at 16. The recommendations of the study is that from the results of the comparative analysis of the 4 AI algorithms used to solve TSP can be used in energy cost estimation of a given program. The second research that I used is the improved RMR rack mass classification using artificial intelligence algorithm. Rack mass classification systems such as rack mass rating are very reliable means to provide information about the quality of rocks surrounding a structure as well as to propose suitable support systems for unstable regions. The aim of this paper is to compare the results of RMR classification obtained from the use of empirical correlations versus machine learning methodologies based on artificial intelligence algorithms. The methods are: the proposed methods were verified based on two case studies located in northern Iran: relevance factor regression and support vector regression, as two robust machine learning methodologies were used to predict the RMR for tunnel host rocks. RMR values already obtained by sampling and site investigation at one tunnel were taken into account as the output of the artificial networks during training and testing phases. SVR the aims of SVR is to find a function to approximate the output according to the available dataset. RVR, it differs from SVR in that it is able to provide a probabilistic interpretation. The results: RVR is smaller than of SVR in both training and testing step, demonstrating the ability of RVR in the prediction process. However, as already mentioned, SVR proves itself a capable algorithm in prediction of RMR values, and so can also be used in this type of prediction when TSP203 data are available. Conclusion: the empirical correlations developed using seismic data acquired along the tunnel either overestimated or underestimated the RMR values. However, the two AI algorithms of RVR and SVR were indicated to be better estimators for RMR. Third is the evaluation and prediction of the hazard potential level of dams infrastructure using computational artificial intelligence algorithms. Failures of dams cause immense property and environmental damages and take thousands of lives. As such, the goal of this paper is to evaluate and predict the hazard potential level of dams in the US using a comparative approach based on computational artificial intelligence algorithms. The methods of this study is divided into four main steps: data collection, data processing, data processing, and model selection and evaluation. And these two AI algorithms will be used to gather data. The K-nearest neighbors is an AI algorithm that could be used for regression as well as for classification purposes. In this paper, KNN is used for classification. Artificial neural networks, ANN, are one of the most widely used AI algorithms that can recognize the pattern between inputs and outputs. It also includes individual parameters or weights for each nodes in the network's architecture, transferring or activation function that shapes the generated outputs of the results. The KNN AI algorithm was applied to predict the hazard potential of dams. A K-value of 9 was utilized to develop the KNN algorithm because it corresponds to the least error or maximum accuracy using read search. The ANN AI algorithm was also assessed to predict the hazard potential of dams for two different layers, the 70 and 60. ANN architecture yielded the highest means of cross-validation accuracy of 85.39%. Conclusion: the research developed a data-driven AI-based decision support tool to evaluate and predict the hazards potential of dams in the US. Obtained results reflected that the ANN algorithm yielded better accuracy compared to the KNN algorithm. Thank you.